Good morning, SaVlog here. Got it. First night is over. The second day began. And it's very sunny. It's like a, Windows background. It's so awesome. Such a beautiful start in the day because we started the journey in the rain, so I got really lucky to finally see the full beauty of Slovenia. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Like, I drove this road. Yeah, so I got on this road because of Google Maps, so I can tell you, don't trust Google Maps in Slovenia. I get so many times lost. For me it was amazing because I found new places, but my car found it not so amazing. My car was very Nokia-like. It got me through all that stuff. I got lucky with that car. So we drove in the beautiful morning to a bakery to eat our first local dish or cuisine to start the day and drive our way to the beautiful Lake Bled, which was the main reason for me to do this trip because I saw a video on Drew Binsky's channel.
If you do go to Slovenia, you have to promise me to go up north to Lake Bled.
And I wanted to keep that promise, but first I needed to eat something. So this was my first interaction with some locals, and they are so friendly. Whew. And I asked to if they speak English, and then they started some English, and yeah, they are very good in English. So much better than me. I got some, I don't know what it is, but it's a little bit sweet with nuts in it. It's local stuff. I don't know what it is. This is very good. It's very good. It's a calzone, but that's genius. You can combine almost everything. Now I will try that. You see, in German you say that's very funny to me. Both it looks like I've eaten before, like in Germany or Italy. They really look very similar. But the taste, it's so different. I can't even describe it. It's good, it's very good, it's very delicious. But if you look at it, so different. They don't taste like that, and it's really awesome. I like that. Wow. Okay. I'm really looking forward to have a big meal, a big Slovenian meal, which I didn't taste before, because this doesn't taste like it should taste. Oh no, yeah, this tastes different, and I think the local cuisine will taste different as well. I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, so after the first taste of Slovenia, which was very different because it doesn't taste like it looks, it was very nice though, and we are here at Lake Bled on the street to Lake Bled. It's very beautiful with the nice weather, but when we arrived here, look at this. I'm here! I did it! It's raining, but I did it! So I was still happy that we made it, but the sun decided to show up and show the beautiful Lake Bled in his best shape. But first we needed to park the bad boy Nokia car. Hello.
Hello. For parking?
Yes.
It's €5 2 hours, or
Sure.
€10 is unlimited for the whole day.
Then I will get 10.
10?
Mm-hmm.
Just leave the receipt inside. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
It opens automatically, then pick any place you want.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I got a parking spot. They are so good English, and again, local, very friendly. It's astonishing. And they speaking so well English, so if you got doubts about, oh no, how can I get around here, it's, if you can speak English, it's easy. They speak better English than me. That's phew. Okay, and the parking costs for 2 hours, it's €5, but for the whole day, or unlimited, he said, it's €10. So obviously I get the €10. I'm here at the hotel. stay here, so it's protected as well. It's awesome. So we can visit all day Lake Bled. And that will be the next cinematic SaVlog. Thank you for watching this normal SaVlog in between the story, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.